So in this video, I decided I'm going to clean up some of the nuts that go onto the wheels. This is because we've got to put the tyres on the chassis before we roll it off the trailer, make it a bit easier to move around. I don't have to do very many, only 2 a tyre, so it's only 8, but they're pretty rusty. So what I'm using here is the belt sander with a Scotch-Brite belt on it, which seems to be sort of, just abrasive enough to take the surface rust off and clean the threads up. I'd probably use this tool the most. It's such a versatile thing, whether it's doing devil dart parts or making knives. It is such a versatile tool. Anyway, I did a count up. I got about 35 wheel nuts, so I will clean them all up eventually. I only need 16 for the vehicle, but I might as well have them all done when I'm going to do them, and plenty of spares. They are a pain, though, with respect to putting the tyre on the car, not like your modern vehicles where you've got a stud that you lift your tyre up and put the rim onto the stud. With the Goggomobil, you've got to line up the little holes and put the bolt into the hole through the rim. And, oh, geez, I have a hard time lining it up, particularly when you're also trying to position the hubcap, which sits behind the rim as well. It always wants to slide out and drop to the floor. So between those two things, it's quite a fiddly job, but I really haven't worked out the best way of doing it yet. Anyway, I thought this video was a little bit different. Not me just moving stuff around or sorting things out, and actually doing something, which is quite good, makes you feel better. Alright, well, doesn't go for too long, so enjoy.